Hi, everybody. It's me, Olivia, and I am currently at the new Meritage Home development at Crown Pointe here in Georgetown. And I got my buddy Tom Gingerelli here with me, and he's gonna explain a little bit more about this Gibson model behind us and the stage that it is in.
Hi, Olivia. Thank you for having me here. Or thank you for coming, I should say. I really greatly appreciate you coming out and checking out our new development here. We're super excited about it.
Yeah.
I'm seeing underway with our development here. We're looking to hopefully have some of these houses ready for you to sell for us.
Yeah.
Come the end of August or beginning of September. But to your point, this is our Gibson model. It's an incredible model.
It is.
2,001 square foot.
Really?
Yup.
That's nice.
It's a 4-bed, 3-bath home.
Okay.
So it's giving you that great open living concept while your primary suite is in the back of the house and all of your guests are separated from you, giving some good living way. But why don't we take a walk in right now? We just finished up framing the house. I want to talk about a couple of things that we do different than other builders.
Absolutely.
And I would love to point that out as we go in.
Okay, sounds good.
With this home, as you enter it, you're going to come up to our two secondary bedrooms.
Okay, so over here one and over there.
Nice size rooms. They both fit queen beds. But I'd love you to come in a little bit closer so you could point out some of our construction features. Spray foam insulation in all of our walls. Now, we are an energy efficient, Energy Star builder, as me and you have discussed in the past. And you could see in this stage how our foam goes straight up to the peak of the house and how we keep our houses airtight.
You can already feel a difference temperature-wise when you're going into a home that has this foam in here. When you go in the other homes that don't have that in there, it's a lot harder. Remind you, it's like, what, 92 degrees right now out there?
About that, yeah.
This feels actually really comfortable, and there's not even any AC hooked up, so this is really nice.
100%. As we walked through that door, you actually felt the temperature drop, and there's no power in here.
Yes, this is great. So we have one bedroom right here, so this is going to be a hallway, I take it?
Yes, it's your little entrance into the bedrooms.
And then a Jack and Jill bathroom?
Yes, so you have a pass-through bathroom. It's a shared bathroom between your two bedrooms up front. These bedrooms are about 11 feet by 11 feet approximately, give or take a couple of inches.
Yeah.
So you could fit a nice queen bed in here. You could fit a couple of end tables in here. Nice size closet.
Yeah.
One of the things that you're going to notice in our builds is that we maximize every amount of space we can. We understand that people need some storage, and in a ranch house you tend to lose that, but you'll see that our closets are a little bit bigger. You're going to see that there's no wasted space. If we have an empty void like here, you're going to get a nice linen closet right here.
Right. That's nice. And then it just connects to that over.
Connects to our other
Are they all
bedroom.
coming with a standard tub? Or?
So all of our secondary bathrooms do have a tub.
Okay.
All of our primary suites do have a stand-up tiled shower.
Nice. Okay.
And again, in this room, approximately the same size, and you could notice that we have another nice size big closet coming in there.
Yeah.
All of our windows are UV high impact windows because we do know we live in a shore town. But the biggest feature that's keeping our house is our foam insulation. That does a couple of things, and it's great that we're in here to see it at this phase. The foam insulation not only is going to keep your hot air out and your cool air in, but it also helps strengthen up the framing because you're filling that gap void.
Absolutely.
And it also keeps the house quiet.
Yeah.
Helps with that noise reduction coming from outside.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're in the construction zone. We have all that noise going outside, but it dropped dramatically once we moved into this house.
And that is with the open door.
And that's with the open door, yes.
Yes.
And the open garage door.
Yes.
So take a look at also all of our ductwork. You'll notice all of our ductwork is actually supported and not just laying on the rafters.
Yeah.
That all of that ductwork,
It's strapped.
Yup, it's all strapped up. even though that is an climate controlled space up there, because we do climate control our attics,
Yeah.
we still wrap all of the pipes because we want our systems running as energy efficient as possible. We want to cut your utility bills down as much as we can.
Yeah, wonderful. And you got cam lights going in on here?
Yep, we have
Nice.
we have LED cam lights going in right across. So this kitchen, it's a really functional kitchen. I am super lucky to own a Meritage home and own the Gibson model. So when I talk about this house, I'm talking from a personal experience.
So it's
And
functional.
It's absolutely functional. So we got our
Yeah.
sinks sitting right here. We got our stove sitting right here. When you're a cook or a chef and you're talking about cooking, you're talking about the triangle.
Yeah.
That triangle is your stove to your sink to your refrigerator.
Yes.
So when I'm
absolutely.
standing here and I have a hot boiling pot of water, I'm only turning around.
Yeah.
I'm not walking through the kitchen. I'm not walking over there. I'm going from stove
To there.
to sink to
Yeah.
drain my pasta. My
Absolutely.
refrigerator being 3 feet, 4 feet from me, right over here.
And rumor has it, any of your guys' houses come with the appliances.
So yes, we give an appliance package with all of our homes that includes your
Wonderful.
stove, your dishwasher, garbage disposal, your refrigerator, your microwave, and your washer and dryer.
That is amazing. All right, so that's now going into the living room, correct? I mean, the
Correct.
living area.
Now look at the natural light. Obviously, we have no power in this house. We're still in construction,
Yeah.
but look at all of the natural light and the amount of windows that we put in here.
Yes.
It is incredible for you to see. You have your dining area right over here. You have your living area right over there.
Yeah. Right, and then that leads us to the main bedroom.
It's going to
over
lead,
here.
lead us to your primary bedroom. Our primary bedrooms are nice and big.
Okay.
You could fit a beautiful king-size bed in here, some end tables, a dresser. This bedroom is over 15 feet long.
Nice.
Nice size. That follows you right into your primary shower. Now, I don't know of anybody that gives you a linen closet that's this big.
It is big, yes.
I mean, quite honestly, in my house, I store all of my Costco toilet paper and paper towel right down there.
Some places have this as their shower, this size.
Right.
Right.
But come on over here. Look at the size of our shower pan.
Yeah,
look at the
look at
size of
that.
our shower.
That is nice.
You could fit two people in this shower comfortably.
Yeah, wonderful.
We got our own separate water closet right here.
Okay,
Double vanity.
yeah.
And then it brings us into this master closet.
Oh, wow, that's almost like the size of a little room.
I joke with customers that are coming, especially those that have little babies or children on the way, and I'm like, hey, guess what? You got your own nursery right here.
Yeah.
I could tell you that I raised my kids in a room that was smaller than this.
Absolutely. What's this orange tube right here?
So I wanted to point that out as we come through here. The closet connects right into your laundry room.
Yeah.
So you do have a nice function here where you're doing your laundry and you're bringing it right into your master closet.
Absolutely.
Then as we come through this doorway, because another great function is your master closet and laundry room actually come right out to your main hallway.
Okay.
But as we come out here, I love that you brought this to our attention though. So one of the things that we love to do, we want to make sure that the house is ready to go. We take all of this great pride in insulating the house to make it airtight. We don't want people drilling through the house and opening up air voids.
Yeah.
So we run a Smurf tube straight out, so when your cable company comes to hook up your internet, they're gonna actually grab this pull wire, they're gonna pull it right through the Smurf tube. So this
Okay.
runs straight outside for them to be able to pull the wires straight into the house.
Well, that's wonderful. No drilling into your existing sheetrock and
Everything is ready there.
Oh, that's awesome.
We
That is awesome.
wire all of our IT closets specifically so you have a place with an outlet already there to
Yeah.
put your router and any of your IT stuff you need.
All right, cool.
Well, I hope this brought some awesome light to how we build and construct our houses.
Yes, absolutely. What's the average price point? I'm not going to hold your feet to the fire on that. What's
I greatly appreciate it, but on a Gibson model, we're probably looking anywhere from about 360 to 400.
Okay.
Again, this is a 2001 square foot model. We
Okay.
do build 3 other models here.
okay?
We build a model starting around 1,540 square foot all the
Okay.
way up to the 2,000. So we got a 1,500 and change Buchanan.
Okay.
We're also building our Chandler model at 1,647 square foot. We're
Okay.
building our Newport model at 1,850 square foot, and then we're building our Gibson model.
Okay, so they're all going to be represented in this community.
In this community, they're the models that we're representing.
Okay.
So picture a price point in this community anywhere from about 290 to about the 400
Nice.
number, depending on the size of lot and what house we choose.
Okay, all right, wonderful. And this is going to have community pool, correct?
Yes.
All right.
So we're really excited that we're going to have some
Absolutely.
amenities here.
This kind of weather, you want to be in that pool for sure.
And one of the great things about this community is as you drive in and around the community, you're going to notice that we did save some old growth.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. It's nice to see the mature trees around.
I really want to thank you for coming out and checking out Crown Pointe today.
My pleasure, my pleasure. This is going to be a wonderful community. I can just tell. Love that you guys are putting the pool in and the price point is amazing.
Actually, stay tuned as we present more videos as we come further along and as some of our other models get built.
You're going to invite me to that one, right?
Absolutely,
Oh,
absolutely.
wonderful.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much
Thank
for
you
coming
so
out
much.
today.
Thank you.